So when you want to get to 10,000 with YouTube automation, there's mainly two different paths that you can take. First of all, you can do regular YouTube automation, and I'll talk about that within this video. And then you get my personal favorite, and that is actually the real way, in my personal opinion, to get to 10K with YouTube automation, and that is doing search-based YouTube automation. But I know a lot of you watching these videos are familiar with the regular YouTube automation, so we'll cover that first. So first of all, when it comes to doing regular YouTube automation, your main goal is to go viral. You want to create and it's also faceless, as you can see here. So you want to create a viral faceless video. Now the problem with this is that you have to keep on going viral with your channel to maintain your views. So if you get like 500,000 views per month and you're making like $5,000 per month with your channel and you're posting every day, you have to basically go viral for your channel size. So maybe 50,000 views or 60,000 views. You have to keep doing that on a consistent basis every single day in order to maintain your views. And that can be like a little bit of a hamster wheel, even though it's faceless, even though you're outsourcing these videos, because you've built a team around your channel and they're creating the videos for you. It can still be a grind because you have to come up with these video ideas that are going to consistently go viral, and that is very difficult. And you don't have to do that with search-based YouTube automation. Okay, so like I said, you algorithm dependent, and if your channel gets suppressed, or you get like a shadow ban on your channel and your views start dropping, your income's going to start dropping too, and that's not what we want. So if you post a video in your first month, maybe you get monetized in your first 3 months and everything's going well, you're making 3 to 5K per month, and then all of a sudden YouTube stops recommending your videos, either because the video ideas are lacking and they're not getting as good as the previous ones, or the algorithm shifts and they don't recommend that type of content to a broader audience anymore. So that's a big problem with regular YouTube automation. And then there's a high chance of failure. So you may have to, because if you go onto YouTube, you see all these faceless like stickman videos and war channels, crime channels, celebrity channels, and you see that they're all succeeding. But then if you copy the video title to one of the best videos on that topic and you paste that into the search bar, you're going to see hundreds, 50 to 100 other channels doing the exact same topic, and they're simply not getting views. Okay, and those are the failing channels. So there's a high chance of failure. You may have to go through 3 or 5 or 10 different channels in regular YouTube automation before you actually get that breakout channel that's going to go viral on a consistent basis and bring you in that 10K and a full-time income. So in the beginning, you may have to test a lot, and that can cost up to $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 just in testing different videos and different channels to see which one is actually going to work. And the price of these videos is $30 to $80 per video. So it's, if you are a beginner on a low budget, it's not really that possible to be able to start outsourcing and building a team for $30 to $80 per video. You have to post 25 to 30 videos every single month, and that can get quite expensive. So when you start regular YouTube automation, you may not even start a team in the beginning. You may do that later and do all the videos yourself, prove the concept works, and then you get monetized, you start earning, and then you start building your team around your channel, and then that will free up all of your time. Okay, so that's regular YouTube automation. Sure, you can get to 10K with regular YouTube automation, but there's a high chance of failure. And now with all the AI that's taking over YouTube and everything like that, you can get demonetized anytime. If you're using copyrighted content in your videos, that can get demonetized. If you're using too much AI, you can get demonetized. So it is kind of risky to be able to start that in 2026. Now let's talk about my favorite way to actually start and grow and scale to 10K, and that is search-based YouTube automation. So you don't need to have viral videos, because the whole goal of search-based YouTube automation, okay, because with search-based YouTube automation, basically what you're doing is you're taking a long list of keywords, maybe 50 to 100 to 150, 200 keywords every single month, and what you're doing is you're ranking these videos in the YouTube search results. Okay, so you don't need the algorithm to push your videos, you don't need crazy edits. These are very simple 1 to 4 5-minute videos, and you just upload these on a very consistent basis and do a lot of volume of these videos, so you never have to rely on a viral video. And the last thing, if you have 100 videos ranking in the search results, they are going to stay there for months and even years to come, so they are going to bring you in consistent views on a daily basis, and that's going to drive the views up on your channel and your income up on your channel too. Okay, so if I just go to the search bar here, people will type how to remove, okay, and then you see all these auto suggestions: how to remove background in Photoshop, how to remove background in CorelDRAW. You can cover all these topics on your channel, but I don't recommend just going to the search bar and then doing all the topics. You want to learn the search bar method, the competitor method, and then using the AI method. And those 3 keyword research strategies is taught in my Search Makers community. You can get access to it by clicking the first link in the description. Okay, if you go to that link, it'll take you here. And then what you can do is just start a 7 days free trial, and then you can see it's only $7 per month to continue. But in the Search Makers community, okay, if I just go to the Classroom tab, you'll be able to see that I have a beginner's guide course. You can pick your viral niches, search mastery course, which is the main course that's going to teach you all these methods. Okay, you can see it's an in-depth video training course that's going to teach you how to go from 0 to 1 million views per month in a full-time income with search-based YouTube automation. We have weekly calls. Those are recorded and put in here every single week. And then we have the ad-free training, and you can get one-on-one coaching. So go to the link in the video description and then click on the start free trial, and that's available for you. Okay, but you don't need to go viral with these videos. You're just ranking them in search, and they're pulling in views every single day. This is also completely faceless. You don't have to show your face on camera. So it's similar to regular YouTube automation. It's faceless and you build a team, okay? But you may not build the team in the beginning straight away. You may wait 1 or 2 or 3 or 6 months maybe, and then start outsourcing once you're monetized and making money with your channel. And the nice thing about this is the videos aren't going to, like you with regular YouTube automation, you get a surge in views, and then after like a week, all your views for that video are gone. The algorithm may pick it up at a later stage again, but basically the videos die off. But with search-based, it's like a compounding effect. The more of your videos start to rank, the more views you start to get, and then you can eventually get to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million views per month. So there's a high chance of success with this. The only real way that you're going to fail in the search-based YouTube automation business model is that if you're not using the correct keyword research methods, and if you are basically just stopping to upload. Because if you stop uploading, eventually your views will go down. But I see the main problem that people have these days is the keyword research. So I cover that all in my community. You can get access to that for a 7 days free trial. Okay, so there's a high chance of success. You just need the correct strategy and the correct methods, and then you will win. And like with search based, instead of paying $30 to $80 per video, we're now only paying $1 to $4 per video. So this is very beginner friendly. You don't have to wait a couple of months to start building a team. You can come in here with $200 to $300 per month in budget, and you can start outsourcing your videos from day one, which frees up all your time, and then you can just focus on what really matters in the business, and that's the actual keyword research. So, and you don't really get demonetized when you're doing quick short how-to tutorial videos for apps and software. That doesn't really get demonetized even with the new updates. So search-based YouTube automation, in my opinion, is the easiest way to get to 10K, because you're ranking videos, you're not relying on viral videos. Getting a viral video is actually incredibly difficult, and replicating that on a daily basis is even more difficult. So I recommend that you start with YouTube search-based automation. Like I said, if you want to learn everything step by step and A to Z, click the first link in the video description, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the inside.